Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to our channel Latex Fashion and Style. If you want to buy these beautiful and stylish latex leather outfits for women and girls, so these are very gorgeous and beautiful outfits. Online, I will tell you the websites from where you can buy these outfits online. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos, and you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. So my dear friends, if you want to buy these beautiful and stylish latex leather outfits online, I will tell you the website from where you can easily buy these outfits online. If you want to buy these beautiful and stylish outfits online, I will tell you the websites from where you can easily buy these outfits online. So you can buy these outfits from Amazon.com, etswear.com, etswear.com and aliexpress.com. All these websites are very famous, and you can buy all the latest variety of fashion. I always try to show you stylish and latest designs of fashion through my videos, and you will never miss my videos. Keep watching, keep visiting my channel. Support me by like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.